Hey guys, Bill, the Kansas Flamingo chef. Welcome back to another edition of Flocktails here at my bar. And today's exciting because I had a subscriber who sent me an email asking if I could come up with, her words, not mine, a Flamingo RumTini. So I thought about it for a little bit and I thought, well, Flamingo martini glass, rum, that seems a little too simple. So let's have a little fun with it. All right, I got my juicer here. I've got a half of a lime, and I've got a shaker with some ice. Let's start with the juice of half a lime. That's about a, quarter of an ounce, give or take, of lime juice. And then it needs a little something. Not just rum, but, I mean, rum's good. So let's go with 3/4 of an ounce of light rum. But I want a little bit of coconut. I want some island flavor to this. So let's go with 3/4 of an ounce of coconut rum on top of that. And then I'm thinking a little pineapple juice. Let's make it almost a pina colada kind of thing. And maybe about 1.5 ounces, I'm guessing. About the same amount as we did of rum. All right, so we need a little color. If we're going to call it Flamingo, it's got to have some pink. So here's some homemade grenadine, and we'll go with, probably about 1/2 ounce. And shake this up. All right, if my measurements were right, this should be pink. It's a little darker color than I had in mind, but still looks pretty good. We can work on the color. Let's see how that, garnish that with a lime wheel maybe. Just to give it a little pop. Oh, that's good. That's really good. Cheers to Flamingo Friday. Like, share, and subscribe. Join me for the next one. Have a great day.